Hey everyone, what's up? I've got something really cool to show you today. You know how I love testing new AI tools that are revolutionizing content creation on this channel, right? Well, get this. Today's tool doesn't just make images, it creates entire stories. It's called Higgsfield Popcorn, and it promises to solve a major issue for creators using AI: consistency. If you've tried to make a series with the same character or keep backgrounds consistent, you know the struggle. AI keeps changing characters and styles, making it a nightmare to create a coherent story. One frame's perfect, the next looks totally different, and you end up with a mess. But this version of Higgsfield Popcorn is here to change the game. It's like having an AI film director at your fingertips. And I'm not just saying that because it sounds cool. With Popcorn, one image and prompt can create a coherent, stylish visual story. So in this video, we'll test it, see how it works, compare it to tools like Nano Banana and Seedream, and explore if it's the future of AI storytelling. But before we dive into generating images, let me give you some context. What is Higgsfield and what's new about it? Well, Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing AI companies in recent months. It has millions of monthly users, releases updates almost weekly, and its community is full of artists, designers, and creators blowing up on social media thanks to their results here. Their philosophy is clear: be the most creator-friendly platform. And now they've launched this new feature called Popcorn. It was previously called Keyframes, but evolved significantly. Popcorn is essentially a smart multi-image tool that generates coherent sequences. It's like combining a pro image editor, storyboard generator, and narrative-driven scene director. It maintains consistency of characters, objects, and settings across multiple generated images. You can create an 8-image mini-story where the same character moves, interacts, and changes lighting while keeping their identity and style. It sounds simple, but that's exactly what no other tool did well, until now. Let's move to the first demo, something we'll test right now. We'll go to the Higgsfield page and try it out. We'll head to the Popcorn section where we first see the option to upload images. We can upload up to 4 input images to provide context for the AI. These can be characters, locations, products, logos, or anything you want to keep consistent throughout the story. It's best to use images from different angles, keeping the same shot. Too much change might confuse the AI. Try to maintain the same style, okay? Use the same clothes and such to avoid confusing the tool too much. So after uploading the images, we choose between automatic or manual mode. In automatic, Popcorn generates the whole story from one prompt. In manual mode, you control each image individually, writing different prompts or even combining previous results. Basically, it offers us much more customization and control. Let's keep it simple and try something classic. I upload a black and white image of a female detective with old school cinema lighting. For the prompt I write, the detective searches for clues in an unsolved case. Film noir, vintage 1940s cinematic style. We hit generate, and Popcorn returns a sequence of 5 images. Each one looks like a frame from a movie. All with the same look, lighting, and character. Honestly, this used to need lots of manual editing, but AI does it in one go. As I said, the detective can be in any pose, angle, and do whatever we ask. Now, let's move to a second demo using a Ghibli-style case. We know it got popular thanks to ChatGPT, which added that filter. So let's try this, which is totally different from what we did before. It's much more colorful with a different graphic style. We'll upload a male character, like an adventure hero, with this prompt. Young explorer seeks dragon in magical forest. Ghibli-style, bright medieval fantasy. Popcorn makes 7 images, and wow, it looks just like an animated sequence. The impressive part is it keeps the same character design in every shot. You see him walking, nearing a cave, facing the dragon, all perfectly consistent. It's like AI grasps narrative flow, not just visuals, which is a big issue for rival platforms. What I love is you can extend the story by picking any generated image. You can build a long narrative, scene by scene, maintaining coherence. No other AI has done this so well. I'd like to highlight key features and benefits of Higgsfield Popcorn. First up is multi-image input, okay? We can upload various characters, scenes, and objects, and Popcorn combines them while maintaining style and proportion. This can also make it easier for a model to generate a more accurate form, which is basically building a LoRa, right? We have total control. We can edit each frame with prompts, or let the automatic mode construct the story. Other models just use auto mode, and after spending credits, you can only fix AI mistakes. Not very fun. Then there's the narrative extension where we can ask it to continue the visual story like an endless movie. We have total consistency where Popcorn maintains the same face, outfit, lighting, setting, and even background texture across all images, plus advanced editing to swap backgrounds, merge characters, or create alternate versions in one scene. In short, Popcorn doesn't just make pretty pictures, it creates visual continuity, the key ingredient for any story. Short film, comic, ad, or even AI-created movie. It's the first time I feel an AI isn't just drawing, but directing. Finally, let's make a direct comparison. In conclusion, Higgsfield Popcorn isn't just an update, but a generational leap for AI content creators. We're moving from generating isolated images to building complete stories with visual coherence, aesthetic consistency, and narrative direction, and all from one interface with pro-level results. If you're an artist, filmmaker, designer, or just love AI experiments, you'll absolutely adore this. Try it yourself and share your sequences with official hashtags for the Higgsfield team to see. I think we're entering a new era where AI doesn't replace creators but becomes their co-director. Want a full AI-generated short film from Popcorn? Let me know in the comments. See you next time. Remember, future cinema might start with just one prompt.